Santorini is packed. Paris is packed. Dubrovnik, forget it. But Europe is still huge. And right now, there are places that feel like you rented the whole continent. Here are 10 hidden gems tourists haven't ruined yet. Visit before the secret gets out. Albanian Riviera. Crystal clear water that rivals Greece. Mountains straight into the sea. Beaches you'll share with maybe 5 people, and fresh seafood for a fraction of Croatia. Porto, skip the riverfront crowds. Head to Miramar, or Afarata. Cross to the Douro estuary, same pastel charm, zero chaos. Georgia, the country. Fly into Tbilisi, then drive 3 hours to Kazbegi. Snow-capped peaks, 14th century churches on cliffs. Guest houses where grandma feeds you until you can't move. Everyone does Lake Bled. You want Lake Bahinj. Same emerald water, same Julian Alps. At sunrise, it's you, a rowboat, and silence. Matera, the cave city carved into limestone. Movie set beautiful, strangely empty after dark. Sleep in a cave hotel. Wander the Sassi, feels 2,000 years old. Skip Bran Castle, go to Viskri. And Birtan, and Sashits, cobbles, horse carts, and hills straight out of Tolkien. Come in May or September. Red Rohrbuer cabins. Hikes with no one for hours. Midnight sun or northern lights. Pick your magic. Don't just shoot the viewpoint and bounce. Stay in Perast or Dobrota. Rent a kayak and glide to the islands at sunrise. Pure calm. Plovdiv, Europe's oldest continuously inhabited city. Roman amphitheater and 19th century houses. A creative scene that feels like Prague 25 years ago. An autonomous Swedish-speaking archipelago between Finland and Sweden. Thousands of red granite islands, barely any cars cycling for days. Saunas on the water. These spots are under the radar, but not for long. Which one are you adding first? Drop 1 through 10 in the comments. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications.